Welcome everyone to this wireframing tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to wireframe a music website for your clients using MockFlow Wireframe Pro. Watch the full video to see what the final wireframe looks like, don't skip it. Let's start by adding the browser frame to our canvas. Next, we'll insert an image placeholder for the hero background, followed by the hero text that will appear as an overlay on the image. Then, we'll upload and add an image from the MockFlow image library using the quick toolbar. You can also customize the hero text font to match your desired style. Now, let's move on to the header section. Start by adding the logo, followed by the website name. Next, drag in the menu component to create the navigation links. Finally, add social icons from the same library to complete the header. Once the header is done, we'll add social links under the hero title. Simply reuse the same social icon component used in the header. Below that, insert a CTA button, rename it, and customize it. Next, let's set a background color for the entire website and create a new section. Add event details such as the event name, date, and location, followed by a text link with an icon. To add multiple events, just duplicate and reuse the first one. Below the events, we'll place an image placeholder. Upload your desired image, then add a rectangle overlay containing the event name and date. Customize it for a professional look. Moving on, let's create our journey section. Add a section title and subtitle, then insert an image placeholder and upload an image. Next, we'll design the About US section. Add a heading and insert a descriptive text block. You can fill it with dummy content for now to complete the layout. Now it's time for the track list section featuring newly released songs. Start by adding a rectangle component, customizing it, and including the section title. Inside, add the play icon from the MockFlow icon library, followed by the track name, duration, and social icons. Duplicate this layout for each track and align the details accordingly. Then, we'll build the new releases section. Add the album name, and indicate its availability across platforms using social or platform icons from the image library. Include an about description with dummy text, followed by track details like the artist's name, release date, and total number of songs, each accompanied by relevant icons. Next, we'll create an upcoming events section. Start with a circle component, customize it, and add an icon from the icon library. Include the event name, location, and time. Then add a CTA button labeled by tickets. Repeat this process to create multiple events, changing the names and locations as needed. After that, we'll design a latest news and events section. Add a heading and a CTA button labeled More News. Insert image placeholders and upload images from the MockFlow image library. Beneath each image, include the news title, date, and comment count, then duplicate this layout for multiple news cards. Finally, let's create the footer. Begin by adding the logo, a short description, and social icons from the icon library. Next, use the list component to make an About Us list, then duplicate it to create a support list. Finish with a bottom footer for the copyright text. And there you go, we've successfully wireframed a complete music website using MockFlow Wireframe Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MockFlow for more easy wireframing tutorials.